Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for more information about that can be found up here in the corner. So on the DXY monthly, I still believe this is the end of an ABC correction right here. I still believe that this is actually just going to keep on trending down, making lower lows, lower highs, probably eventually taking out this low way down here, because that's what happens at the end of an ABC correction, no matter what time frame you're looking at. Now we are on the monthly time frame, so that's going to probably take a years to play out, but I do think it will continue to trend down on the high time frames. Heading down to the weekly, I do like to switch to the US dollar index. On the US dollar index, you can start to see the lower lows, lower highs that make up what I think is a 1. Now I do have this ABC here just to remind myself that it actually is possible that this does go up to make like an ABC of 2 before it actually ends up going down. But I still believe on the shorter time frames we may already have the end of a correction and that we may already be trending down, probably already in a 1, 2, and wave 3. So let's keep all that in mind while we go down to the daily. On the daily time frame, it does look like a nice five-wave pattern up right here, but I think it's a motive wave correction, like an ABCDE. I think the correction is over. The part that really gives it away to me is that this move down is a trend. It is not a correction. Then this move up right here is definitely a correction. It never broke any structure to the upside, so for me the trend is definitely still down. I think that today's news, NFP, may cause initially a push to the upside, but I do think anything we see to the upside will just be a correction to the downtrend. So let's take it right down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I do believe we have the end of an ABC correction. It looks like a 1, 2, and then we're in a wave 3. Now we are going up a little bit right now, but price really would have to go way up there just to prove to me that the trend is over. I do believe that anything we see to the upside is going to be a correction to the downtrend, and that it will continue to make those lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and just keep on going down. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, the last major structure level is way up there. So I think whatever's happening now is most likely just setting itself up for the news later on today, NFP news. So if this looks anything like this when the news comes out, I would say the likelihood is very high that the news is going to cause this to go down, probably an ABC correction, make another lower high, and just end up continuing the downtrend. All the higher time frames are definitely telling us the trend is down. Shorter time frames, we need to just continue to look for sorting opportunities at the end of ABC corrections, and big news events like the NFP should give us another opportunity to go short for the continuation of that big trend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.